Hello, people. I salute una gidigba. Una well done, my people. Information when they reach us right now, we say the family of Aloba, they don't carry out the autopsy on the remains of their son, Mohbad. They let us know, say, on the 19th, which was on Friday, now they go carry the sample to ascertain what it by Mohbad. They let us know, say, from that sample when they collect, they say if they not find out what it actually by Mohbad, from that sample, can't they do the toxicology to know exactly what happened to Mohbad. By God's grace, the truth will come out. What did they know, say when they go court the last time, the judge or the magistrate, he talks, say, me Papa Mohbad go do carry out the toxicology and the autopsy on his late son. Say if you want to make the likes of Wumi and Mama Mohbad, may they equally dey there. Even if they not fit there, they fit send their own people of representative, make it go see what they happen. But as it be say, they don't go take the sample on Friday when we on the 19th. Everything they okay, wahala no con dey. Everybody dey there, they send their who not fit go, is send your own representative go. But everything is done and dusted. The matter of what by Mohbad, make una dey pray, make we actually see those who get hand for the kind of Mohbad, so that they themselves will equally go see Mohbad for the other side. Now our prayer be that. Oh, Joro no dey. We all know for a fact, say now only Papa Mohbad, now they look for justice for him pikin. Mama Mohbad, now chicken and chips, now they eat. Chicken and chips. If you not eat that one, bottle of Gouda or Star, go put one leg for chair. And that one you want. My people, things to happen. We need to pray, make person express a relationship of a mother like that of Mama Mo, because Baba God, when he give her pikin, when he's supposed to wipe his tears away, the woman say no. Now people, things they happen. Una say they there, make una they pray. Those who get hand for the kind of Mohbad, they go follow and go. Now waiting we want. Make Mohbad spirit, they drag them. Sleep, they not go see sleep. Sleep go far from them. Una not say don't tell me I see talk rich concerning this kind of Mohbad. We did today now woto day. No mercy. I see today woto day for people we no want we get justice for Mohbad. How that day who they build with their papa. Just imagine Mr. Aloba. Now only him won't find out who by him begin. Now some people, when they call enemy of progress, people where be said they never even feel it, then they ask for accountability. Those people, when they say accountability, they never feel mention their names. They are not feel call their own names. Something now they do them. See, make una stay clear. Make una dey una own day, make una stay on a lane, because something goes begin to happen to una. My people, justice for Mohbad yo. Justice for Mohbad yo. Una dey hear me so? We not go relent. We not get where we dey go. Now waiting we sign for be this one. We talk say we must make sure say we see those where get hand for the buying of Mohbad. The people were in there with Mo for the past 24 hours, 72 hours. We need to find out who those people be. We need to know those were in there with them before he buy. They don't get where they go. The brother of Mohbad, what do they call her? Adura. He dey sing up and down, I don't know what he dey sing. All of a sudden, we don't dey see music where he dey sing. All the song where Mohbad don't sing. Make una help me ask Adura, at what point he take follow Mohbad go shoot any of those movies where he can't be say he can future for those music. We dey here with the look. The more we dey look, and the more we dey see say Ojoro, yeah, he did the matter. Adura, you go see something. You will be say that by your brother for your eye, you see where to play. You not fit talk, you keep quiet. We equally know say the person where he turn off, where come on the camera for the house. Wumi, who do am? We get all those info. Who lose the thing from the house? Now your brother, una will tell us what did the matter. Una think say we just dey talk for nothing. Everything will happen, we know. Mohbad not dey sleep. Mohbad dey open people eye, show them how the matter dey. This justice for Mohbad we go get down. Una not get where una dey go. Wumi, which role your own brother play when Mohbad die? Now in duty to and do the thing, your brother, Wumi, and your brother do am. We know. Mohbad house, camera day. She be your mother. Your queen mother. He don't come out. He say camera day the house. He say if he there for the gate side. But inside the house, he not the Olodo mama plus Olodo daughter. Wumi, tell us what happened to Mohbad. You know. What do you do to Mo? We see everything. This one, you go nowhere for this matter of Mohbad. You need to tell the world what will happen. My darling people, na pere, na talk risho, pere talk. I don't want to talk past this one. Justice for Mohbad. Justice we stand for. My people, and so it be, una well done, una good day. Wait till be una position. Wait till una think concerning the matter. When I stand up for Nana, oh yeah, put it in the comment section. I come in peace.